Ah yes, a new day. In this video, I am going to talk about my family.
Hooray, a new video!
I only got one picture from yesterday.
And now I will zoom it out.
This is Bob the introvert. Bloopy, very good at climbing trees. Wen, competitive. Bea Bear, acts like a bear. El Wiwi, the second competitive one. Nibble, like nibble. And me. I'm the only normal cat. Wow. I shed out my skin, which turns into clones. So that means my family is just literally my clones. Okay, I'll be right back. I must do something. I must take a poo at the toilet now.
Whee!
Anyways, I'm done going to the toilet.